All right, let's take a look at this word problem. Dion Sports sells golf tees in packs of 20. Meanwhile, Lindsay's Gear sells them in packs of 24. If both shops sold the same number of golf tees this week, what is the smallest number of tees each could have sold? Okay, so I'm just putting a check mark on there because that's representing that I have read the problem one time, and I think what's most important is that you understand what the question is asking. So I'm just going to read through the question one more time, and then I'll read through the problem and highlight a little bit of our important information. So it says, what is the smallest number of tees each could have sold? So we're looking for the smallest number of tees that each could have sold. All right, so I'm going to go back through and highlight now. So I have Dion Sports sells golf tees in packs of 20. So Dion Sports, packs of 20. Meanwhile, Lindsay's Gear sells them in packs of 24. So actually, let me change that. If both shops sold the same number of golf tees this week, okay, so we have the same number being sold. What is the smallest number of tees each could have sold? Okay, so when you think of that word smallest that I highlighted there in green, okay, so I've read it a second time, so I'm going to check mark there. So when when I read that word smallest, think of greatest common factor and least common multiple. What does it seem most like or closest to? So smallest actually goes with least common multiple. So LCM is what I'm going to use to solve this problem. So I'm going to take 20 and 24 because those are my two numbers that I have highlighted in here. And we're going to find our LCM of it, which is going to give us our smallest number. Okay, so 20 and 24, they both have a 4 in common. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. Okay, 5 and 6, they only have one number that's in between them. So then I get down to 1 and I'm done. And I'm going to take the least common multiple of that, which is going to give me 4 times 5 times 6. So 4 times 5 is 20 times 6 is going to take me to 120. And then let's make sure that we have our label here, which is going to be tees.